So I'm going to show you how I make my quick and easy after gym oatmeal. In fact, hold on. You're going to need a half a cup because the water's boiling already. You're going to cook it for 1 minute, at least the oatmeal that I have. You'll need a wooden spoon, preferably one made by my girl Kim. So I'll leave a link to her store. She sells these. You can get them custom made. Anything you want on them. I have 2 oatmeals. Any one will work. I have the quick instant 1 minute one. I'm going to start using old fashioned, but either one works. If you do your research, these aren't as good and you do want to go organic just due to pesticides and stuff like that, but either one will work. You're going to need 2 packets of Truvia, 3 tablespoons of this powdered peanut butter, and my favorite, Trader Joe's organic blueberries, 1/3 cup. 1 minute and our oatmeal is done. Now the package says let it sit for 2 extra minutes after it's done cooking. I'm going to add my peanut butter and my sweetener. I already cut the heat off. I'm literally just stirring in the peanut butter and the sweetener, and I'm just gonna let it sit in the pot. Once the 2 minutes are up, I'll add it to my bowl, and I'll add my blueberry. And I'm not exaggerating. The wooden spoon makes a difference. Taste and everything. And I use the same spoon to eat it. Now, if you are doing Weight Watchers, this whole bowl is only 2 points. Oats are 0. The blueberries are 0. And the sweetener is 0. If you don't need sweetener, that's fine. I do. The powdered peanut butter, because we use the powdered one and we only use 3 tablespoons, it's only 2 points. So you're literally only taking points from this. Eliminate this, you got a 0-point breakfast. Good for you, but I love peanut butter, so I'm using it. Perfection. So good. This actually holds me over until I need to get ready for work. And I just had the best workout with my trainer. I had a double sesh today. So I'm really excited for this oatmeal. I never thought I would say that because I was never a big oatmeal person. And I only decided to make this video because I post a lot of pictures of what I cook, but apparently a lot of people want my recipes. So this one is for you. Literally half a cup of oats, 1 cup of water, 3 tablespoons of powdered peanut butter, 2 packets of sweetener, and put as much blueberries as you want. They're 0 points. 1/3 cup to a half a cup is good for me. Just sprinkle that. Yummy goodness. And I just put it in frozen. And the warmth of the oatmeal and the cold of the blueberries is just, I don't know. I love it. You could use fresh blueberries, but I like using frozen. Ooh, my dog got a snack. I like using frozen one. They last longer. They're cheaper. And it's something about the coldness with the warmth and popping in your mouth is like amazing. I actually got this recipe from Kim, who makes the spoons. But the one thing I love about this oatmeal is, if you know me in my real life, well, this is my real life, you know what I mean. I love purple, and who doesn't like eating? Okay, that looks like crap, but it tastes amazing. So good. This is my new addiction. I'll have to show you how I do my eggs in purgatory. So, enjoy. I hope you like it. Like I said, quick oats, old-fashioned, whatever you like. But I would do your research on why you shouldn't use instant versus organic oats. But do what you and your family can afford. Your kids would love this. So give it a shot. I'm gonna add a video that I did a few minutes ago in my car so you can understand why I'm excited for this. And happy Friday, because it is Friday. And I hope you guys all have an amazing weekend. This will be Sara's purple oatmeal. Sara's peanut butter purple oatmeal. Whatever you want to call it. It's divine. So on that note, have a great weekend. Go kill it in the gym. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Mr. Dan Smith. I have been sitting in my car for 6 minutes. In my garage. My legs feel like jello. When I walked away from you, I felt like I still feel like I need to throw up. You push me and you push me hard. I had no excuses to give you. You probably won't get one from me. But thank you for pushing me as hard as you did. I needed it. And to everyone out there that doesn't know how to push himself or have excuses or like, I need a trainer, but I don't know how to find one. I'm going to leave my trainers in a tag so you can reach out to him. No excuses. Never give up. He will push you. He is the best. I hope everyone have a great weekend. And Dan, I will see you Friday. I'm exhausted. You're the best. So everyone else, go reach out to my Mr. Dan Smith trainer. Don't worry, you don't have to go to my gym to have him. I want some oatmeal with peanut butter and some blueberries. Thank you, Dan. Everyone else, well, and Dan, not just everyone else. Have a great weekend and go kill it. Bye.